How Woodward is going to be their strength.
Just a lot of plants around the world.
What are the challenges globally, being from the manufacturing background?
But once I got into the plants in India, I have no worries whatsoever.
How do we educate people here in India?
The capable engineers, the capable machinists.
Hello everyone, we are continuing our interesting chats with none other than the team of Woodward Inc. And I'm in conversation with Joel Strating.
So I'm the Director of Process Excellence for Global Sourcing. And we have 14 plants across really across the globe. 7 of them are in the United States. Our largest plants are in Rockford, Illinois, which is where Woodward was founded 150 years.
Yeah, so considering the global supply chain, what are the challenges globally, being from the manufacturing background and from the factory background, do you really face?
Yeah. So I think one of the biggest challenges we have with our supply base is that we are a high mix, low volume manufacturer. So we need our supply base also to think in terms of high mix, low volume. We need them to be agile with respect to lead times and velocity through their processes. We need them to think in terms of lower quantities of parts they ship to us, so smaller batches more quickly. And that requires a lot of operational excellence to work in that environment.
Also, you've been to India since last 1 week, and you've been to different other cities where the aerospace is growing, where the control systems which you provide, they're the huge consumers. Mm-hmm. At the same time, there could be so many suppliers out there in this city which you've been, be it Bangalore, Pune. So, what has been your experience at first visiting them, and secondly, how are they going to strengthen Woodward, or how Woodward is going to be their strength?
Yeah, so I have to tell you, I was worried about the investment we're making in India because I haven't been here in maybe 14 years. But once I got into the plants in India, I have no worries whatsoever. Looking at the plants they have, and we're mostly looking at machining plants. They have some of the best machines. They have very appropriate levels of automation. They have a management team that's super focused on delivery and quality. They have a lot going for them. I think the thing that really we need to work with probably is that agility and velocity and small batches, really the lean manufacturing methods that I didn't particularly see in these plants. A lot of capability, but probably some areas for improvement as well.
So what are going to be steps from Woodward's and ends from this, improvement point, or whatever you said, the lean manufacturing?
Yeah.
How do we educate people here in India for the betterment?
Yeah, I think it's a natural progression. I think right now the infrastructure is in place, the capable engineers, the capable machinists, and the equipment is in place. Now it's just a matter of adding that, and it's not that you skipped a step; it's just next. My group, I have a group of continuous improvement engineers that can work with our supply base, to teach them concepts, teach them methods on how to really reduce their velocity, reduce their batch sizes, meet their quality and delivery expectations as well.
That's wonderful. I mean, we wish you the best for the next, I would say, couple of years, where all these improvements are going to show up and Woodward is going to have a really good time here in India. We wish you the best for the same.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks a lot.